We both like sound still in the day and the night. Although we both lie close together, feel miles apart inside. Well, something I said is something I did. Did my words not come out right? Do I try not to hurt you? Yeah, I try. But I guess that's why I say it. Rose has its thorn, just like every night has its dawn. Just like every cowboy sings a sad, sad song. Every rose has its thorn. Listen to a favorite song played on the radio, 'cause the DJ say loves a game of easy come and easy go. But I wonder, and does he know, has he ever felt like this? And I know that you've been here right now. If I could let you know somehow. Every rose has its thorn, just like every night has its dawn. Just like every cowboy sings a sad, sad song. Every rose has its thorn. Yeah, it does.